obviously. We had aluminium double glazed windows, which are the best part of 20 odd years old. Condensation was a major problem with the old windows. But it's like anything else, the older you get, things need fixing. Our sister-in-law, she has a big house at South Alloa. She has double glazed windows, but she also has a massive conservatory which was put in by C.R. Smith. I think she's had it now for 14, 15 years. Superb, it's as good as the day it was built. So I kind of looked at that, and then obviously looking at some reviews. Went on to C.R. Smith and called the office, and then they sent a nice gentleman out called David Campbell. More than knowledgeable about the product, every aspect. Answered the awkward questions I had to ask. Communication with David was excellent, girls in the office were excellent. On the date it was given, at 8:05, the blue and white van turned into drive, and it was Willie Deacon and his young apprentice, Marco. Nice young lad. Very professional, very tidy, very clean. Knew exactly what they wanted. The finishings, you've seen the finishings around the windows to speak for themselves, and nothing was too much trouble for them. So, in fairness, Willie Deacon and young Marco, I've only got the highest respect for these guys. And they're really a credit to C.R. Smith. So ever since the windows have been fitted, the heat that's been kept in our house now compared to what we were losing before has been tremendous. And Janet was just saying to me the other day that she said, believe it or not, I was just having a look at what we'd used since these windows have went in. She says it's saved quite a bit of money, so they're doing their job. From initial signing a deal of purchase to install to aftercare, we're very happy. Very happy clients.